Don't fall and break your neck.
Well, this is the worst part right here.
Or your tailbone. And all of a sudden I go, wah! Are you being extra careful? Good. I'm sinking in the snow. Help! Help! Just imitating the way an owl would see life.
I turned it off.
Oh, okay.
Say it again.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
I was just imitating the way an owl would see things. An owl's eye view. You know, if he was laying down and he was looking at the river. Not that owls don't lay down, but that's... Maybe an animated owl. Cartoon owl. I like owls. Do you like owls?
Yeah.
You know,
cool.
you know, my mother, I don't usually talk about her, but she loves owls. What is that? What is that?
Debris.
Is that a duck? Well, that's not a duck. That's tumbleweed. I thought that was a duck. That's a big piece of debris, huh?
Yeah. Well, you should.
And there's birds. You see the birds flying around there?
Yeah.
Those are swallows. Yeah, but you know what they could be? Is a bird that's in the swallow family. It's called a purple martin. One of my favorite birds, although they are quite vicious to the mosquitoes. They're making genocide on the mosquitoes. But you know, I don't really mind. Who needs mosquitoes anyhow, right?
Yeah.
Just the purple martins, they just want to kill them.
Yeah.
Other people don't care for mosquitoes. Are all creatures in God's world, God's creation, created equal? Are they created equal, or are some of them created below, and they're bad, and they're evil, and therefore it's okay to kill them? And certain ones, you know, you want to protect and preserve.
Seems that way.
But some people really want to protect the Siberian tiger.
Some people want
And
to...
I say screw it, because if you protect them, you just let them kill you the next day.
Some people want to protect the mosquito.
Now that's wrong. I'm sorry, but no. When they get on me, I don't want to protect them. That's not nature, that's not wildlife. That's something to kill. I can give you a long list. In fact, there's more animals that we should kill than we should let live. And I'm sorry to say, but we got to open up a debate about this. Think about it.